Have you ever installed a program and you later realize that it's just sitting there doing nothing, slowing down your PC, taking up space, and was causing problems to your PC? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove any program or software from your computer, step by step. Let's dive in. Here, I'm using Windows 11, but you can still do this with any version of the Windows. Click on the Start button right here, and you can click on Settings, and right here you can click on the Apps. Over these options right here, you can see the first one, which is called Installed Apps. Click on that, and here you're gonna see all the apps, the programs or softwares that you have on your PC, right? So you can scroll through, or you can use the search option right here to search for the particular application that you're looking for. Let's say I want to uninstall the Proton. I have the Proton VPN and it's just sitting here doing nothing, right? So let's say I want to uninstall the Proton VPN. So I'm going to search for the Proton right here, or I have the option to also scroll down to where I can see it. So I'm going to click on these three dot icons right here. Click on the three dots and you can see the option there to uninstall the software. So when I click on uninstall, you can see this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Are you sure of that? Yes, I can click uninstall. And here you can grant the permissions. And as you can see, are you sure you want to? Yes, I want to do this. So I'm going to click on yes, I'm sure. And as you can see, guys, the program has been uninstalled. You can see Proton VPN uninstalled. And this is exactly how you can go ahead to uninstall any other software that you wish to uninstall. Now, let me show you another shortcut way to get to this window right here. So let me quickly close this down, and from the search bar right there, let me just search for the add or remove. Just start typing add or remove, and you're going to see this option right here to add or remove programs, and you want to click on that, and you can see it will take me straight or directly to this window right here where I can search for the applications and where I can remove them exactly. So this is just the short guide on how to uninstall any software from your computer. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.